If you own a Land Cruiser, please don't scroll past this video. This can be life-saving, important, because we all know that cruisers is not up there when it comes to braking power. So we all fit power discs to help us improve braking power on these machines. But something that is lacking, and I've looked at 4 cruisers now on tour, the past 4. None of them had this. You have a suspension lift. There's a bracket or there's a load sensor in the back that senses the load on your cruiser and adjusts the brakes accordingly. So now you lift your suspension, but you don't lift your brake sensor in the back. And that impacts tremendously on your braking ability, on your back drums. So what this does is it lifts your sensor to the same amount of lift you have on your cruiser, resetting the factory specs from braking. The moment Rudy fitted this on my cruiser, I cannot tell you how it had improved the braking power on this machine. If you brake now, it's like all 4 wheels have the same amount of braking. Prior to that, you could feel that only the power brakes in front did the braking. So we all are loaded on these overland vehicles. So what that sensor does is, the closer your body comes, or your load bin comes to your diff, the sensor then senses it and it sends more braking power to the back diffs. But come with me, let me show you in the back what I'm talking about.
So daai bracket daar, so wat julle daar sien, daai bracket is ongelooflik belangrik, want daai bracket lig daai Johnny met dieselfde hoogte as wat jou suspension mee gelig is. So daai ding is connected tussen die bak en tussen die diff. So hy sens hoeveel gewig word op jou bak gelaai. Daai ding daar, hy meet hoeveel kom hy af en dan adjust hy die brieke accordingly om dan vir jou meer briekkrag te gee hoe swaarder jou bakkie is. So daai dingetjie is ongelooflik belangrik, want nou lees jou bakkie, as jy hom nie in het nie en daai ding sit dan daaronder, daar so, dan lees dit dat hier absoluut geen gewig op jou bakkie is nie, want die bak is mos nou 50 mm, is hy hoër gelig as normaalweg. So daai bracket, daai enetjie daar, bitter belangrik. Baie belangrik. Bestel hom, kry hom.
So yeah, go have a look on your own diff in the back where that sensor is, and see if you have a load sensor adjuster bracket. Please let me know in the comments after you've watched yours. I would be interesting to see how many people do have it. Most of the cruisers I've looked at don't have it. And thank you so much, Rudy Heinze from Mega World, for supplying us with a much better braking quality. We honestly appreciate it, and I've been testing it now for quite a while. And I had drum discs now replaced the first time, so it works. The back brakes for the first time in a long time is working. So if you want yours fitted, contact Rudy on the number below, make your booking. And it's not that expensive for what you get. It's I can't remember. Rudy sponsored ours for us, and we are very grateful for that. So I'll just get the price from him, put the price underneath here. But phone him, make an appointment, have yours fitted. You won't be sorry. For the first time, your cruiser will brake like it's supposed to. So yeah, from us, arrivederci. Let's start these choppers. Let's fly.